Dr. Olson from Dr. Olson Health, and this is a time of year for allergies and congestion and sinuses. So today we're going to talk about sneezing. I bet we've all sneezed. But here's what you don't want to do. You prepare to sneeze, you're twisting your spine, you're rotating your body. That's terrible. Here's a fun fact. Do you know that sneezing can be twice your body weight? That's like 2 G's, like an astronaut. So the force of a sneeze can be twice your body weight. That's a lot of tension on your neck or your spine. So what I tell people is to brace yourself, prepare yourself to sneeze. And if you're going to be by somebody, you can turn to the side and sneeze. But what you want to do is even up your legs. You might say it's a little bit like water skiing. You're going up and down and you hear the bounce. So bend your knees, flex your body with the sneeze. You won't harm yourself. And sometimes if you're reaching for something, a sneeze is even worse. Bending over to grab something. So if you can, try to get back into standing position. Square yourself off and sneeze and take the force with your knees. Won't hurt your spine that way. Thanks for listening. Dr. Olson at Dr. Olson Health.